Imagine a food so powerful that it could calm inflammation, melt away liver fat, and even help rebuild damaged liver cells. It's not a supplement, it's not a drug, it's simply fish. Not just any fish, but fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, and herring. These are nature's gift to your liver, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that act like fire extinguishers for internal inflammation. If your liver could talk, it would probably say, "Feed me more of that." Nutritional breakdown. Fatty fish are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They're loaded with high-quality protein, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and trace minerals such as selenium, iodine, and zinc, each vital for cellular repair and detoxification. But their true superpower lies in their omega-3 fatty acids, primarily EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These long-chain fatty acids are essential, meaning our body cannot produce them on its own. Here's what makes them unique. They form the membranes of every liver cell, keeping them flexible and functional. They reduce triglyceride buildup, preventing fatty liver. They decrease oxidative stress, the internal rusting process that damages liver tissue. Think of omega-3s as the oil that keeps your liver's machinery running smoothly. They reduce friction, clean the pipes, and ensure every part of the detox engine works at full capacity. Scientific explanation of liver benefits. Fatty liver disease, whether from alcohol or metabolic causes, is now one of the most common liver conditions worldwide. At its core, it's an inflammatory process. Excess fat accumulates, the liver cells swell, and inflammation begins to scar the tissue. Omega-3 fatty acids directly counter this damage at a molecular level. They reduce inflammation. EPA and DHA convert into resolvins and protectins, compounds that calm the immune system and prevent excessive inflammatory responses. This gives your liver time to heal without being constantly attacked by free radicals. They balance fat metabolism. Omega-3s improve the activity of PPAR-alpha, a liver enzyme that breaks down fat for energy rather than storing it. In simple terms, omega-3s help your liver burn fat instead of hoarding it. They improve liver enzymes. Several clinical trials show that people who consume fish or omega-3 supplements have lower ALT and AST levels, two major blood markers for liver injury. Regular intake can even reduce liver stiffness and improve elasticity, both indicators of regeneration. They protect cell membranes. DHA becomes part of the structure of liver cell membranes, making them more resilient to toxins, alcohol, and oxidative stress. In animal and human studies, omega-3 supplementation has shown to reverse non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and even reduce the risk of progression to cirrhosis. How it helps in healing, regeneration, and fat reversal. When the liver is inflamed, fat and toxins can accumulate, slowing regeneration. Fatty fish turn this cycle around through three main actions: reducing inflammation. By quieting cytokines, the inflammatory messengers, omega-3s allow the liver to focus on regeneration instead of defense. Promoting liver cell repair. The high-quality protein in fish provides amino acids like methionine and cysteine, crucial for rebuilding liver tissue and producing glutathione, the master detox antioxidant. Clearing fat buildup. Omega-3s encourage the liver to use fat for fuel, literally melting away stored triglycerides from liver cells. As inflammation drops, blood flow improves, bile becomes more efficient, and damaged hepatocytes begin to regenerate naturally. That's why omega-3s are often called liver fuel. They power both detoxification and repair. Here's how to include fatty fish in your lifestyle for maximum benefit. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Each serving should be about 100 to 150 grams, the size of your palm. Best options: wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, and trout. Tuna is also good but should be eaten moderately due to mercury content. Cooking tips: grill, bake, or steam. Avoid deep frying, as it destroys the delicate omega-3 oils. Add a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C and better absorption. Combine with greens or whole grains for balanced liver meals. If you don't eat fish, you can still get omega-3s from chia seeds, flax seeds, or algae oil supplements. though fish remains the most potent natural source of DHA and EPA. Simple liver healing meals you can try: grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and olive oil drizzle, sardines with brown rice and lemon-dressed spinach, mackerel stew with tomatoes, onions, and herbs, Mediterranean style. These meals are high in anti-inflammatory compounds and provide a complete nutritional profile for liver restoration. Warnings, myths, and quick tips. Mercury caution. Large fish like king mackerel, swordfish, and some tuna species may contain mercury. Choose smaller fish such as sardines, anchovies, or salmon for safety. Balance omega-6 and omega-3. Modern diets are heavy in omega-6 oils, from fried foods and processed snacks. Too much omega-6 can inflame the liver. Eating more omega-3s restores balance. Avoid fried or processed fish. Breaded or deep-fried fish loses its healing power. Stick to baked, grilled, or steamed. And remember, consistency matters more than quantity. It's not about one fish meal, it's about nurturing your liver every week. Fatty fish are more than a source of protein, they're medicine from the ocean. Every bite brings anti-inflammatory oils, healing amino acids, and antioxidants that protect and rebuild your liver from within. If you're trying to reverse liver damage or prevent future issues, make the ocean part of your plate at least twice a week. Your liver will respond with renewed energy, clearer skin, and better metabolism. In every sense, fatty fish are the liver's natural armor against modern life.